We were discussing about the integration and assimilation of migrants, refugees, and tourists in the city, isn't it? Or we are discussing about something else? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me the distinction between migrants, refugees, and tourists?
सो माइग्रेंट्स वो लोग होते हैं जो काम के सिलसिले में माइग्रेट करके रूरल एरियाज से अर्बन एरियाज में आते हैं
Yes. And
सर लीगल तरीके से
okay. And
रेफ्यूजीज सर जो इलीगल तरीके से आते हैं सेम पर्पस के हिसाब से विद ड्यू टू सम प्रॉब्लम्स
okay.
और सर टूरिस्ट वो लोग होते हैं जिनका ओनली पर्पस होता है घूमना और चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करना
The intent is on sightseeing and exploring the new horizons and
Exactly,
new
sir.
places. Okay, but between migrants and refugees, there is much difference. Refugees are forced migrants, and okay, isn't it? Refugees are forced migrants, and migrants are those people which are voluntarily migrated. Okay, isn't it? This we have talked about yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Perhaps you forgot about it. So the problem is, what is the problem? Problem is the integration and assimilation of these migrants in the city, because most of the migrants migrate to cities, to urban areas. So problem is of integration and migration of integration and assimilation of these migrants into the new city. So what are the factors which hinders the integration and assimilation of migrants into the new city? We have discussed about it yesterday.
Sir, actually, I was not present, but I will still try to answer it.
Okay.
So, the factors, according to me, I think they are mainly the job, the employment factor.
Yes, Nashad.
Sir, it's yes, sir.
Yes, what are the factors which hinders integration and assimilation of migrants into the new city?
Sir, I was not in yesterday class.
Oh. Jalees, yes, Abrar, you were there.
Sir, according to me, the main factor which hinders to the migrant is the language and their culture, sir.
Yes,
because
yes.
The rural people are from the backward culture. They are unable to adopt the rural culture. Very soon, sir.
Not only rural people.
Yes,
people
sir.
from urban areas also has a different culture.
Yes, sir. Traditions, culture, and their behavior is also a factor, sir.
Yes. So, what we should do to facilitate better assimilation and integration in the city? What we should do?
Sir, we should try to imbibe the rural culture which is prevalent in that area where we are going to migrate. And sir, second thing is,
yes,
if we are migrating from, sir, we should try to change our behavior and culture, because if we are migrating to the urban areas, we should try to adapt the urban culture.
We should try. Who should try to adopt the urban culture?
Who is migrating to urban areas, sir?
Okay.
The person who is migrating to urban areas.
I'm asking about the city authorities, what they can do to facilitate integration and assimilation of migrants in the city. Yes.
Sir, the authority of the district or any rural urban areas can fix an area where the migrants, if come from any area, they can settle down in a specific area, and they will be provided the specific facilities provided by the authority, sir. अगर वो सर पूरे ही मतलब कहीं भी चाहेंगे, कहीं से माइग्रेट आया कोई और कहीं भी सेटल डाउन हो गया, तो बहुत सारी जगह प्रॉब्लम हो जाएंगी. अगर उन्हें एरिया फिक्स कर दिया जाए माइग्रेंट के लिए, कोई अलग स्पेसिफिक आइडेंटिटी होनी चाहिए उनकी, तो सर मुझे लगता है उनकी कल्चर धीरे धीरे थोड़ा अलग मतलब डेवलप किया जा सकती है सर, उन्हें एसिमुलेटेड किया जा सकता है सर.
Okay. Any other idea from anyone? Yes. Any other idea from anyone? Yes. Yes, Parvez. Do you have any other idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm not getting clear voice, so I can't. I haven't understand the question, sir.
I'm asking that there is a problem of integration and assimilation of migrants into the new city. So, what are the factors and what we can do to facilitate integration and assimilation of these migrants into the new city? What city authorities or what city people can do to facilitate their integration and assimilation so that there is less friction and less social problems?
Okay, sir. Sir, in this regard, the citizen or the people who are residing in a city, they should provide or the government should provide some shelters to them so that they can easily settle down at a place and they will get a very regulated environment so that they will come and they should earn the livelihood. And once they are engaging in work in cities, they are providing what could I say? They are providing the service to the cities. So we should take it's the responsibility of the government to give some facilities to them, and that's it, sir.
Okay, I've got your point. Any other idea, Abrar?
सर मेरे अकॉर्डिंग
Yes. Yes, Abrar, speak.
सर माइग्रेंट के लिए उनके सर ऑक्यूपेशन और उनकी स्किल के बेसिस पर जो माइग्रेट होके आते हैं, और उनके लिए उस प्रकार से अलग किसी भी सेक्टर में जॉब प्रोवाइड करानी चाहिए, और ताकि वो अपने ही सेक्टर के हों सर. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल कोई सर कोई मतलब वो क्या कहते हैं, किसी एक फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट है सर,
Okay.
लेकिन उसे यहाँ वो फैसिलिटी नहीं मिल पा रही है, कहीं दूर दूर है, तो उसे उसी प्रकार की फैसिलिटी या जॉब मिलनी चाहिए जिसमें है सर. अगर वो
we should provide them.
अगर
Yes, we should provide them. You are saying that we should provide them the jobs which suits their skills.
हाँ यस सर.
Okay.
क्योंकि कभी कभी सर ये होता है कि माइग्रेंट आ रहा है, वो स्किल मतलब परफेक्ट किसी में है, लेकिन उसे जॉब कभी कुछ मिल जाती है तो और ज्यादा उसे सर प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है.
And what about social problems? How we can assimilate and integrate them socially more? We can provide, we can facilitate more.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, according to me, the migrants should be provided some indexes or some information regarding the culture or social traditions of the urban area, so that migrant can easily know about the culture and traditions where they have come to be migrated.
So, any other suggestion? Shahrukh, any other suggestion?
सर उनके लिए कम से कम पहले तो कारवां होना चाहिए, एक रहने का पर्टिकुलर प्लेस होना चाहिए. जैसे सर गांधी जी ने लद्दाख के लिए कश्मीरी जो मजदूर आते थे लद्दाख, वहाँ से उन्होंने जो माइग्रेट करते थे, तो सबसे पहले उनको रहने का प्रॉब्लम होता था सर, जो माइग्रेटरी लेबर्स होते थे. तो गांधी जी ने एक आश्रम बनाने का सोचा कि ताकि ये लेबर्स लोग आए तो वहां पे रह सके ये लोग और इनको रेंट ना देना पड़े।
Okay.
क्योंकि मोस्टली जो लेबर्स लोग होते हैं सर वो ज्यादातर कमाने की वजह से तो आते हैं,
Yes.
लेकिन ज्यादा पैसा उनका खर्च हो जाता है रेंट में।
Yes. So we
इसलिए-
should. You are saying that, as I'm getting you, you are saying that we should provide a place for them to stay, a comfortable place for them to stay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Okay.
और कंपनी को जो सर अगर गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर पा रही है तो फर्ज के जो कंपनी जो बुला रही है लेबर्स को या उसको लेबर्स की नीड है तो वो उनके घरों का भी केयर करे सर, कि मतलब रहने का भी इंतजाम करे और खाने पीने का भी इंतजाम करे
You are
ताकि
saying
उनको-
that employer should provide them comfortable stay.
Yes, sir. अभी दिल्ली में सर
Yes.
बहुत सी कंपनियां हैं सर, मैं जिनको जानता हूँ, तो वो लोग कहते हैं कि हमको कंपनी रहने के लिए भी देती है और 2 टाइम खाने के लिए भी देती है।
Where?
वो सैलरी में कट जाता है
Where?
सर, दिल्ली में।
Okay. Company is our employer is providing them with a place to stay, a comfortable place to stay. Yes.
यस सर, इनसे एनवायरनमेंट उनको थोड़ा सा मिल जाता है, क्योंकि अब ये लोग स्लम्स एरियाज में रहेंगे तो ये हो सकता है इनको जो है सर मेडिकली ट्रीटमेंट सही से नहीं मिल पाए, एनवायरनमेंट सही से नहीं मिल पाए, ये लोग बीमार भी हो सकते हैं और लाइफ भी
It's seen that they have social problem. The problem of social integration also. Workplace is okay. They do work and they are somewhat integrated and assimilated into the workplace. But real problem lies in their social integration. So what we can do about social integration? Yes, Arif, can you throw some light on it? Yes, Arif.
No, sir, no.
Okay. Suhail,
Yes, sir.
how we can facilitate their social integration?
Sir, ट्राई करते हैं अर्बन एरियाज में सर, मेनली तो उनको ही चेंज करना पड़ेगा, अपनी आदतों को उनको अडेप्ट करना पड़ेगा। जो माइग्रेंट्स आते हैं उनको सर सोशली रिस्पेक्ट देना सर, इसके लिए तो आई थिंक मतलब उन्हीं लोगों को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। इसमें लेबर्स
You have raised a very good point, Suhail. We should respect them. We should accept them as it is. We should not
Yes, right.
see them as others. We sometimes city people see them as other people. Or
Yes.
they consider them as a burden on the city. Okay.
सर वन थिंग और सर, अगर
Yes.
हम किसी से सोशली अगर इंटीग्रेट करना चाहते हैं तो जैसे कि अगर कोई दूसरे कास्ट का रिलीजन
Okay.
रहे,
Okay, so you are saying that the religious persecution should not be there.
यस सर।
Okay, yes. So, any other idea? Have you heard about public spaces?
Yes, sir. We have heard.
So, can we provide some public spaces and can it help in integrating and assimilating them?
Sir, authority can provide the public space to the migrants, sir.
Yes.
And to
And
some
what
extent,
type of public space that should be? Yes. What type of public space that should be?
Sir, actually, I am confusing. Can you give me some example of public space? Then I can select some.
Public space.
any-
Public space like parks. Public space like small parks. Public space like green corner. Public space like
Library.
yes. Public space like library. Yes. Public space like community center. Public space like clubs. Okay. public space like forums. What type? In my opinion, they should be democratic. No restriction, no untoward restriction should be there. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Without considering their caste and creed and religion and social status, isn't it? Our social
Yes, sir.
status should be considered.
Yes, sir. Sir, but I think, sir, they are democratic in
Yes.
the public spaces right now. They are also democratic now. But the migrants that are coming from different states, those public spaces. और सर उसके पीछे मेरे को लगता है रीज़न ये होता है क्योंकि वो लोग अपने काम से ही इतना बाहर नहीं आ पाते कि वो इन सब चीज़ों में, जैसे पार्क्स आपने बताया, लाइब्रेरीज या
Yes.
जो भी पब्लिक स्पेसेस हैं उनमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो पाते। तो सर अथॉरिटीज़ को ये करना चाहिए कि कुछ ऐसे स्कीम्स या प्रोग्राम्स ऐसे करने चाहिए जिससे उनको लगे कि दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट सोसाइटी एंड उनको उन सब चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए।
Yes.
तो ये एज अथॉरिटी कर सकते हैं ताकि उन लोगों को लगे कि हाँ इस शहर में हमारा भी हिस्सा है और हम लोग भी इन्हीं लोगों में से
Yes,
हैं, अर्बन
that is the
एरियाज में
very
रह रहे हैं और
valid point.
हम भी इसी में से हैं।
Yes, they should think, we should make them think that this city is ours too. This city is theirs too. They are stakeholders in the city. They are residents of the city, rightful residents of the city. We should not see them as others. We should not see them as outsiders. Okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think we have a good discussion. Thanks. Now we should move on to other problems of the city.